Today we will do a fine motor skills activity. It increases the power of your hands and fingers. Let's start the activity. For this activity, we want some clay. Straw, plastic straw and some sticks. They are having different size. Okay, let's start the activity. First, you take clay and make a ball. Make a ball, yes, and place it on this sheet. Now take second one and place it like this. Place it here and place it like this. Now take sticks. These are different type of stick. Stick it on the clay like this. Now take straw and take the straw and place it in the stick and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now do this in second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now place the straw in this and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the turn of this. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Children, I hope you enjoy this activity. Please try this activity at your home and enhance your fine motor skills. Thank you. Bye.